Hi, it's Connecticut injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. Today I'm going to talk to you about something really important and also what I think unfair. But I'm going to lay out the law for you so you can make good decisions in your case. So, one of the things that happens to anybody who gets injured is that they end up with medical bills. And now the question is, who pays for those medical bills? Well, Connecticut law is really sort of unfair, and it says that you in your health insurance are primary in the first instance. And then, after a settlement or a verdict, then you can be reimbursed from them from the person who caused your injuries, um, insurance company. Okay, so in the first instance, you are responsible for paying your medical bills. Now, there are different kinds of insurance that you should be made aware of. The first being you should look at your policy, your auto insurance policy, for any med pay benefits, okay? Because medical payments benefits are no fault benefits. So it doesn't matter if you caused the accident or the other person caused the accident, they pay those amounts of money towards your medical bills. Sometimes it's two, sometimes it's 5,000, sometimes it's 10. I've seen as much as $30,000 in medical payments coverage. So you're really going to want to check those policies to see if that's on there. Now, if it's not, you're going to submit your bills to your own health insurance company, and they're going to go through your health insurance company. Now, for a lot of people in today's world, that means high deductibles or copays, or some things like chiropractic care may not even be covered by health insurance. So, for those kinds of things, if you start getting medical bills, the best thing that you can do is enter into a payment plan and start repaying them. Keep track of every payment that you make, give that information to your attorney, so when it comes time to settle your case, we can get you reimbursed for those things. Now, in some instances, there are loans that can be taken out against your case at very, very, very high interest rates. You probably don't want to do that, but again, for somebody who's desperate, that is an option out there. And, at the end of your case, your health insurance company may or may not seek a lien on any sort of recovery for amounts that they have paid. So they may get reimbursed. You may have to reimburse them at the end of your case. So if you're getting medical bills, it is very important, if you take anything from this, not to ignore them and to reach out to your attorney or paralegal about what you can do. Oftentimes, again, payment plans, if you can't come up with a big lump sum, those things keep you out of collections, which is good because you don't want. There are actually cases in Connecticut where people have been pushed into collections and bankruptcy despite having a case where they weren't at fault from their medical provider, and you don't want that. So the best way to prevent that from happening, don't ignore those bills, and if you have any questions, reach out, but do know that you are probably going to have to make some payments out of pocket while your case is going on. Again, if you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to give me a call, 860-471-8333.